I'm Adam with Tribe-16, and we're going to install a JL flip-down tailgate panel today. Super simple installation. We'll take a couple pieces off, bolt a couple pieces on, and that's it, we're done. First step, we're going to remove this upper panel. A simple panel popper tool or anything like that, flathead screwdriver will suffice. Once removed, take the simple bracket with the nutserts facing up and insert 6mm hardware. Here's the panel. Next step is we'll unlock the latches for it, and we're going to open it up and we're going to hang it and put the hardware in from the top. Would make it easy for two people to help you out doing this. Obviously one to hold it and one to help put the hardware in. Obviously we're going to leave the hardware a little loose until we get everything ready to tighten up. Next step, once we hang the top, we're going to fold it up, mark the holes in the bottom, and get ready to drill and set some rib nuts. We're going to mark the slotted holes. The silver Sharpie works best. Try to find the center to keep them aligned nicely. Then we're going to remove the panel, drill the holes, and set the rib nuts. We're going to do a pilot hole first on these 3 spots, and then come back with a 25/64 drill bit to the final size. Next step, we're going to insert the thread setters and set those. We do give you a tool to do this by hand, but we like the thread setter tool to get it done quicker. One tip when using something like this or the other tool provided, be very careful. If you go too much, it will actually blister the plastic, so you just want to go a little bit, just enough to take up tension. So our last step is basically finalizing the installation, put all the hardware in. All right, got our Tribe-16 tailgate fold-down panel installed. Hung some bags. Let me show you a couple features. The locking latches on the side are, you can pull them out and twist them and it unlocks it. Fold down, you have a nice flat surface. Great popular item for camping. You can do cooking on this, make a sandwich, all kinds of good stuff. Play some cards, maybe. Even got built-in cup holders. You can pick yours up at tribe16.com.